Hello friends, this is the question number 10 asked in GATE 2025. It's an interesting question, but it is uh, fundamentally simple once you get to the concepts. So what it's saying that a shop has 4 distinct flavors of ice cream. I can call them, let us say, A, B, C, D, something different flavors. One can purchase the number of scoops of any flavor. The order in which these appear doesn't matter. It's saying is inconsequential. So what is saying that if one wants to purchase 3 scoops of ice cream, how many ways can one make this purchase? Very interesting. So the sequence doesn't matter. So how can you proceed about it? So there are only, since you want to buy only 3 scoops, right? Only 3 scoops you want to buy. So you had to start like how many maximum flavor you can pick up? 3, obviously. You can't pick up more than 3 flavors for sure. And how many minimum, since you want to buy ice cream, so you have to buy at least a flavor. So minimum 1 and maximum 3. That's the limit. You can buy at least a flavor or you can at most select 3 flavor. So suppose you are getting only 1 flavor, all the scoops in the order doesn't matter. So you can start putting indexing over the choice of flavors. So that could be either 1 or it could be 2 or it could be 3. That's all. With this we'll count by counting principle how many total number of ways you can go. So if you are, suppose you are picking up a flavor, single flavor, all the scoops of same flavor. Since there are 4 flavor, you can pick either of them. So there are 4 ways, right? You can take all the 3 scoops of any particular A, B, C, D, any flavor. So 4 ways you are done. Now you want to have 2 flavors you want to pick up, right? There are 4 flavor, you want to pick up 2. So how many ways you can select 2 flavor? Obviously 4C2. What is this number 4C2? 4 into 3 divided by 2, that is 6, right? So 6 ways you can pick up a flavor. That is, you are choosing among the flavor either A, B, B, C, C, D, or likewise. Once you have decided that, you can do that in 6 ways. Now there are choices, like you have to fill, you have three of the scoops, right? And you can assign any 2 scoop. Let us say you pick the AB for that matter. You can do either A, B, all right, or you can do B, B, A. That's all. Other than that, you don't have any choice because the order doesn't matter. So either you have to buy 2 scoops of a flavor, or 1 scoop of the other, or 2 scoop of the other flavor, 1 scoop of the previous one. That's all. So A, B, or B, B. This is happening for a part. So in total, for given choice, you have these 2 scenarios. So total you have 6 multiplied by 2. Got it? Because 6 is the ways in which we decide the flavors. Once we decide a flavor, we can permute them in 2 ways only because the order doesn't matter. Okay, so this is 12. Now coming to the 3. So you have 3 scoops and you have 4. So obviously you can, out of 4 flavors, you have to, if you want to pick 3 flavor, you can do that exactly 4C3 ways. That is 4C3 is nothing but 4 different ways. And since you have no choice, you have to have something like ABC, right? ABC is the only thing, but ABC, BCA, CAB all are same. So you have only 4 ways. You just select 3 flavors, that's all. So now you can count the total number of things. 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. So therefore answer B is correct. The correct answer is 20. Thank you.